Administrator course, access scenario 1. In this, we are going to be creating a new agent role with access control to 3 configuration objects, and we are going to be demonstrating that level access as well. Firstly, we are going to be looking at a user that we just created, John VIP. This user doesn't have any permissions as of yet. So let's create a new one and assign this user to it. Let's see. In order to create a new role, I'm going to go to our configuration, teams and agents, agent roles. I'm going to create, okay, I've already created one. So you're going to click on add, you create a new team, and I've made mine to be a priority team. And in the permissions, I've given this team permissions access to the tickets, access to the knowledge base, access to suppliers, items, sales. I think that's it. And if we go over to John and impersonate John as of now, John doesn't have access to any module as it is. As you can see, already the search dashboard and the chat bar is over here. So let's exit from that. If we go back to our permissions and we add the agent that is going to be having this role, and we add John VIP to it, let's save. If we go back to John right now and try to impersonate him, we will now see that John has access to project, the knowledge base, the items, event management over there. These are the roles that we're given. So what we've achieved so far is we have created a new agent role with access control to 3 configurations, and we have demonstrated that they have access to that. Next up, we're going to be creating a new qualification with 2 criteria, and we're going to demonstrate that as well using John VIP's profile. In order to create a qualification under teams and agents, we have qualification matching. We're going to create a new qualification matching, and we're going to just name this priority team, and we have to make sure that we check this to make sure that the agent must have this qualification to be assigned to that ticket. And now we're going to add some criteria. Criteria are going to be the urgency needs to be high, yeah, and the impacts needs to be multiple users. And let's save that. Now we have our priority team over here. Now what we're gonna do next is we're going to add an agent that will have access to this. So John VIP will have this qualification, and we are going to save. Testing this now, if we go to a new ticket, in a problem ticket, as you can see, let's make some changes. Let's see some qualifications. If the impact is organization-wide and the urgency is high, you can see there is no qualification matching. But if we do change this to meet our criteria, which is multiple users that are going to be affected, you can see down below we have qualifications for the priority team matching. Let's submit that. And how this works is when you go to the team and assign the agent, when we click on that, we will be able to see those that are qualified via the matching. As you can see, there's a qualification over here for the priority team, and if we select John VIP, which is already shown with a check mark, we can see we met that qualification and we have assigned John to this team, to this ticket. And that's how we are able to demonstrate for the tracking and assigning the ticket to the agents.